Okay, hello. We're going to break down this problem right here. Express the number in standard form, 5,648 and 7/10. So first thing I need to figure out is what does standard form mean? Okay, standard form I should know is that it's just the number. So the number as in a digit, a series of digits. Right now we see it expressed in word form. Okay, so we see the word form, and now we need to take that and turn that into a number. So let's take a little closer look at what is going on here. The very first thing I see here is I have 5,000. Right? I have 5,000. I know my place values. I know 1,000 is a place value. Next, I see we have 600. I know that's the next place value. We have thousands, then hundreds. Next, I see the word 40. Okay, I know tens are a place value. And then I see the word 8. The ones are a place value. I see this word and. I know and means something. Maybe I can't remember exactly what it is right now, but I'll think of it. And then finally, we see 7/10. If I remember my decimals, I remember that tenths is a decimal. So let's try and figure out how to write this in number in standard form. So the very first thing I see is we have 5,000. So I'm just going to go ahead and write the number 5. So right now that's 5,000. I remember, and I see here, I kind of covered up with my writing, but I remember when we said 1,000, that's when I can just go ahead and put my comma in. Okay, so I have 5,000. The next thing I see here is I have 600. 600. Now I'm not going to write 00 because I know I just have 600. Right now I know I have 6 in the hundreds place. This is my hundreds place right now. So I just have to have 6. I'm not going to write 00 because that would be something different. And the reason I know I can't write 00 is because I have this here, 48. If I wrote 00, this number would be 5,600. Okay, and then if we added another 4 and an 8, this number now turns into what? 1, 2, 3, 560,048. So I know that can't be right. So I'm going to get rid of that stuff. Okay, so 600. Now I see 40. So I know I have 4 groups of 10. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I see 8. So I have 8 ones. Okay, and, alright, I remember and when we're doing decimal point, or when we're doing decimals, we need to have a decimal point. So and's going to be my decimal point. And then we end it with 7/10. So the number in standard form of 5,648 and 7/10 looks like this: 5,648 and 7/10, which if we wrote it in one single color would look something like this: 5,648 and 7/10.